Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. Welcome back to online class. Today we are going to learn how to prepare a paper cup using craft paper. For this you need a craft paper of your color choice. You need a scissor, glue and a marker pen. See, you have to use the scissor under your parents' supervision. Now let's start making a paper cup. For this, what you have to do, you just have to fold this paper from the middle and press it to get a middle line. See, you get the middle line from here. Again you have to take a middle point of this and also fold from here also. So you got this kind of paper by folding like this. Now again join this end with this. So join both the end and press like this. Now what? You will get the middle line here also. You can see it. Fold the paper to this middle line. Okay. Now again fold it like this. Now from here also you have to fold from this end to the middle line, press it, again fold it like this. So what you will get? You will get like this. See, you get the lines. What you have to do, just open from the one side and cut this line. Be careful while you using a scissor. Cut it this line. Now what you have to do, you are getting, see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 folds here. You cut the first one. Be careful. See, by cutting this you will get this kind of paper. See, now you have to fold every line and press the outer side. See, okay. Now cut each of the lines we folded. See, now we cut every fold. Now press it like this. See, now you have to join this end and this end. See, open this one and keep this here like this. Now what you have to do, you have to paste a glue here. Sorry, you have to put a glue here See, we apply the glue to this one side. Be careful. Okay, put this end and join this like this. Now press it and paste it very careful. See, can you see? We got this kind of paper image. Now what we have to do, we have to paste each of this cut. See, we have to paste all this cut. Apply glue on each cut. Press it. See, our cup is ready. Now we have to make a handle. Okay, so the paper we cut, we use that one. See, this leftover page we use for making the handle of this cup. Now cut 1, 2, 3 as much you need. Make a fold. See, apply the glue to one side and fold it and press it gently. See, now take your cup and measure it, that how much you need. Like this we will cut from here because it's too big. See, fold from here and fold from here. See, paste this or this end. Press it gently and hold it for 10 seconds. See, our paper cup is ready. Now to decorate this, what we will do? We make a eyes. Now we just make a eyes and lips. See, our paper cup is ready. Now what you have to do? You have to prepare this paper cup and send it to me when the group is open. Till then, take care. Thank you and Jazakallah.